Hey everyone, what we have here today is a vintage Plymouth Mantel clock. I'm going to date the thing probably 1950-ish, give or take a decade. It could be 40s, although I'm real doubtful, but it could be 60s too, who knows. In case you didn't know, the Plymouth Clock Company or whatever, they were made by Seth Thomas. And basically Plymouth was like a scaled down version of the Seth Thomas clocks a lot of times. Still very good clocks. I mean, they have the 89 movements in them. They're, you know, great quality. That's the thing I love about them, and Seth Thomas for that matter. Great quality movements, you know, good quality cases in them too. One thing that's cool about this clock, when I first got it out, I didn't think much of it because it looked like someone taking a sandpaper or whatever and just went all over it. You know, it's kind of nasty looking, to be honest with you. But I cleaned it up a little bit. And this thing is going to be really a little gem, I think. You know, get a little bit of wax on it, what have you. So, sharp clock. I like it a lot. This thing here, it gongs on the quarter hour. And then it's a cathedral gong at the top, so. Which, another thing that I liked about the clock too, like I said, I was telling you about the case, but I didn't have to do anything to it. I mean, it's really unusual. You know, just put the pendulum bob back on the thing, turn the springs, tight, wound them up a little bit, and just set her in motion. She was going. Like I say, this here's a Type 89 IL movement. It's made by Seth Thomas. I don't see a stamp on it, ST, anywhere. Most of the time you don't. I have seen a few Plymouths that did have ST Thomases in it, but a little bim bam clock movement. Not a bad little clock. Like I say, I'm kind of anxious to get a little wax in this case. I mean, that thing is beautiful. Let me show you real quick here. Look at that. Anyhow, that's it for today, guys. Check us out, vintageclockparts.com.